First of all, make 8 single crochet into magic ring. Close the circle with a slip stitch and make chain 4. Make 3 slip stitches by skipping 1 stitch. Make single crochet into next stitch and repeat this pattern at 8 times. Here we are going to make our last bud. Close it with a slip stitch, chain 1 and cut the yarn. Now we will make second part. We will make 12 single crochet into magic ring. Here we have used dark orange and bright yellow color combination. Now make a slip stitch at very first stitch and make chain 6. 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Now make 1 slip stitch and 4 single crochet. Now make single crochet into next stitch, again make chain 6, 1 slip stitch and 4 single crochet. Repeat it more 10 times and close this circle. Our second part is completed. Now we'll again close it and cut the yarn. Now we will make third part. Into third part we will make 16 single crochet into magic circle and then we will make chain 9 and then 2 slip stitch and 6 single crochet. We will complete this part with two colors, yellow and dark orange or bright orange. Now insert your crochet hook into next stitch and make a single crochet with yellow yarn. Again make chain 9. Again make 2 slip stitch and 6 single crochet into upcoming stitches. Now pick the orange yarn again and make a single crochet and repeat this pattern till the end of this stitch. Third part is also completed here. We will cut the both yarn loose. Now we are going to make our last part with yellow color. In our fourth round I have make 20 single crochet into magic circle and chain 11. Now I will make 2 slip stitch by skipping 1 stitch. One single crochet and 8 half double crochet. Now I will make single crochet into next stitch and again chain 11. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11, and I will repeat it for 20 times. This petal I will repeat this petal for more 19 times and close this part here with a slip stitch, and then I will cut the yarn. Here you can see that we have made all 4 parts. Now we will join them together and with our ponytail. We will sew them with yellow yarn. Now we will sew our ponytail or rubber band. After making this, we will decorate very inner side at the center side with beads at the help of needle and thread. After adding central bead, we will decorate it with these steps we will fix them at the back side of flower. You can see it looks more beautiful after adding the beads. If you like my video, keep subscribing and keep supporting. We will meet in next video inshallah. Take care of yourself and family. Allah Hafiz.